Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over the allotment today harvesting Ruth Stout potatoes. I planted these potatoes on the 5th of May and today's the 11th of August. So before I harvest them, first things first, I'm going to show you how I planted them. So this bed here, I've just weeded it. And it doesn't look like it, but a lot of that is just been pulled up and lying on the ground. So as you can see, it's quite deep, that bed. That's where they're going. The spuds I'm planting today is King Edward and Rooster. Rooster, a red skin variety. I'm going to do 8 plants in there, so I'm going to just do 4 of each. Anyway, so horse manure. That there is well rotted horse manure from the stables. This is going to be our nutrition, or some of our nutrition for these spuds. Into that then as well, I'm going to add this chicken manure pellets. Now, I've never used these before, but somebody gave me a big 10 kilo tub. So, I thought, alright, fair enough, I'll give them a go. I'll spread a load of those around. God, why not? This end, I'm going to plant the rooster. I've used horse manure here and these pellets. You can just put a layer of compost. It says before rooster. 4 King Edward. So it comes harvest time, 4 plants on the left of Rooster and 4 on the right of King Edward. However, you'll tell the difference because Rooster are red skin and King Edward aren't. Okay, so there we go. 8 seed potatoes, nicely spaced. Lots of nutrition there for them, horse manure, chicken manure pellets. Now, I've also been down the stables and got straw. This straw is used straw, straight off the muck heap. So, it will have nutrition in it itself, in the form of horse manure and horse pee. Hence why the gloves. Okay, so just over 3 months now they've been in the ground. I'll show you them now. Some of them are dying back, some haven't died back yet. But I did harvest 1 plant's worth about 2 days ago because I wanted some chips. I've got loads of potatoes at home, container grown potatoes. I've got lots of small potatoes. They're lovely, but they're a pain if you want chips. And I want chips for dinner tonight. Burger and chips tonight. So, let's get harvesting. Now these 2 beds here, that bed and that bed. These potatoes here are soil with straw mulch, and these are Ruth Stout. It's an experiment that I'm doing to see if there's a difference in yield between soil and Ruth Stout method. So if you do want to see that, do hit subscribe, that'll be out in a couple of weeks. Now there's the bed. I do believe on the left is the rooster, On the right is the King Edward, I believe. So let's see how well we've done. A couple of days ago I harvested was right here. This is the beauty of Ruth Stout method. So you can just move this straw out of the way, and here we go. We're getting some nice big spuds. These are King Edward. So what I'm trying to do here is harvest one half of the bed and then move the straw to the other half. It's a small spuds, but we're getting some decent sized ones too. You can see there, I'll give you a close look in a sec. And as far as we've got, but we have got some big spuds there. That'll make a nice handful of chips for dinner tonight, won't it? See, decent spuds. I did notice when I harvested that other plant day before yesterday, I've had something trying to burrow into some of the spuds, like that there. It's not affected all of them, just a couple. I did also do another potato experiment earlier on in the season with first earlies. I planted 4 seed potatoes in one container, 2 in another and 1 in a third, to see what the difference was in yield in containers. The results were quite interesting, so if you do want to see that, I'll put it on the screen up here now. If you want to see more gardening and beekeeping videos, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.